oo are the two sounds which we will focus in My Focus YouTube channel in this video. Practice along with me. Oo, 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 oo. I have chunked a list of words with this oo sound. Practice it along with me. Good, good, pudding, should, would, cook, shook, took, bull, bullet, bulletin, wool, women, bush, cushion, push, butcher. Repeat this exercise many number of times for an appropriate pronunciation. Here is the set of words which I have listed for oo sound. This is the vowel sound. Choose, cool, fool, lose, moon, pool, root, school, stool, two, tool, truth, youth, move, tomb, group, rule, room, menu, true, few. I have chunked words which are minimal pair for oo and oo sound. Repeat after me. Full, fool, look, look, pull, pull, bull, bool, cook, cook, should, should, would, would. I have also chunked a set of words which are rhyming words with these sounds of oo and oo. Let us look at it. Pool, rule, to, flew, true, you, who, chew, youth, truth, food, rude, good, wood, wool, pull, foot, put. This looks simple, right? Pronouncing oo and oo sound. Practice it. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.